Make sure you have on there what it is you do. Have at least one job linked to the relevant company page. So for me, if you look on my Facebook profile, I believe it talks about Chief Evangelist Officer. So I am the CEO, but Chief Evangelist Officer of Dominate Partners, and that links back to our page. I'm involved in a couple other businesses, but that's the primary one that I promote right now. As we go, I may promote some others or promote one. I'm not sure how exactly that will go once these begin to get legs, and I'm building out my dream list as well. Make sure you have a call to action, a website URL, or a form link. If you look at my profiles on both Facebook and LinkedIn, you kind of get an idea of how your profile should be set up, what information you should have, so that you're developing quality profiles for people to find you and be able to do business with you.